2. Oh! 6:30 p.m. Oh! Well, it's Friday, October 7th, 2022, and I just went to sign my taxes with the accountant. I'd file late, and I was trying to explain to him that my hiccups kind of start and stop whenever. It could have started there, but it chose to wait till I drove away. But it's just erratic. Start, stop whenever. It's miserable. Miserable. Took me a long time just to turn this on. So, what did I say? I wasn't hiccuping, and 15 minutes later, it starts. Sitting here in the world after a little lunch. So, it's October 27th, 2022. It's 9 a.m. This episode started at 4:45 a.m. this morning. Sucks. Makes my nose run. Miserable. It's getting worse and worse. But I have an amazing man who looks after me and takes really good care of me. I'm very fortunate in that respect. Doesn't like me talking. It's really aggressive when I talk. So I sit quiet by myself. It's ridiculous. Happy Halloween. October 31st, 2022. What's the day today? Sunday the 6th of November 2022. So it's November 9th, 2022, and I have a doctor's appointment today. It was actually moved from next week to today with Dr. Mo. I'm doing a study, a cancer study, and I know that the hiccups will probably stop before I get there, because they like to stop for doctors. For some reason, it likes to hide. So, just proving that what happened this morning. Had a 7:45 a.m. Started just now. Oh. It's November 8th, 2022. At the doctor's office. I've donated my body to science in a sense. Doing a colon study for cancer, or finding cures for certain cancers. So that's what I'm here for today. Can't remember the name of the study right now, but so November 10th, 2022. Choking spasms. Pressure is so tense. This pushes water on my face and nose. Oh, God. November, I think, 15th, 2022. $7:33 a.m. This episode started at 10 o'clock last night. It's not stopped.